Hey guys, what is up everybody and welcome to a new video. Today is quite short video because we're going to talk about protection on the motorcycle, in particular crush bars on Tracer 9. There is a quite common question under my videos where people asking, okay, would I suggest crush bars, and if I do, what type of crush bars you should use or what brand, and also if crush bars is a better solution rather than the sliders, or maybe sliders is much better on your motorcycle because they just like more sleek, or they just in general look better on a bike, especially when we talk about non-ADV bikes, right? So when we talk about road touring bikes or street bikes. I did have experience with the sliders, and in my opinion crush bars is just better solution because they're able to protect much more, they're able to stand much more, I would say, pressure. In general they just like more robust. Not always they look nice, not always they fit the bike. As a functional part they do a great job, right? They're kind of protecting quite a big area on a bike, and they intentionally kind of designed to be a little bit wider than the body of the motorcycle, so they have a little bit space between like fairing and the bars, so in case the bike is being dropped, at least like the whole fairing part will be safe, right? Not always they can protect the engine, but in most situations crush bars they do quite a good job. It's not that hard to fit them on the motorcycle. So basically, if you speak about Tracer 9, 9 GT, GT Plus, they all have exactly the same design, and the way how you mount the crush bars here is just like two mounting points here. Maybe, I don't know, if you have all the tools, it will take 20-30 minutes. A new generation of Tracer 9 is wider, so these crush bars is also wider. The way how they designed, they have this reinforcement in the middle. So if you look on previous generation, they didn't have this reinforcement. But also previous generation of Yamaha Tracer 9, the bike was slimmer. So what it changes is that if you guys want to move these crush bars to a new bike, if you were lucky to find a great deal to the previous generation crush bars, and you now want to get them and install on your new bike, technically it can work, but I wouldn't suggest doing so, because even though the mounting points are the same, more or less design similar, the problem is, again, as I mentioned, this bike was slimmer. So when you put them onto new generation, they will be right here, they're gonna be touching the plastic, and it's not gonna do any good job if bike is being dropped. However, if you're owning previous generation of Tracer 9, actually you can use new generation crush bars and install on that bike, because again they will even give you a little bit more space, and in this case there is higher chance they can protect the engine. And I historically just use SW-Motech. In my view, the way how they look, the way how they fit the bikes which I had in the past, always great. So because I like not only functional part, but I also like aesthetics of the bikes, and in my opinion they just like do a great job, and they feel premium, they look premium. However, on some bikes you might actually look into other manufacturers, because even though SW-Motech is quite premium brand and they do a great job designing their protection, I believe that for certain and specific use cases, and maybe even specific motorcycles, there are some companies which are more focused on those bikes or those use cases. I'm not talking about Yamaha only, I'm talking about the whole market. The second thing which I always suggest to buy alongside with the crush bars is a belly pan. Sometimes it's called bush plate, or basically engine guard. In my opinion, it saves you, it makes your life easier, right? So you sleep well, you ride well, you don't really care if you need to go off the pavement, do a little bit of distance on gravel, you just like have this thing and it's like you just go. So good news here is that this one is completely the same as on the previous generation. So if you want to move it from the previous bike to a new bike, simply do so, because that thing is very valuable and needed. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be happy to answer those, but in general, yeah, crush bars is a must on a motorcycle in my opinion. Much stronger, better than sliders, not always looking better than sliders, but again, there is always a trade-off, right? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.